Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. I wanted to do a quick walkthrough and show you guys some of the features and things that we have on this boat. Really excited to show you here at MarineMax. At the front of the boat, you've got your anchor locker that doubles as a fish box if you wanted it to. It is insulated and drains overboard. It does have a tie for your anchor. We've optioned this boat with the full upper bow rail on the front, so you've got some extra protection when you're up here using this as a casting platform. You have another fish box here that's also insulated as well, and the fishing package on this boat. So you've got 6 rod holders in the front on top of this igloo cooler that has a seat on it as well. As you come back, you'll see how expansive this storage compartment is. You could actually put a head or a porta potty in there if you chose to, or just use it for a ton of extra storage. As we move back, we'll talk about this leaning post real quick. This is the optional leaning post for the 21 Montauk with these large flip-up bolsters that will flip down, and you can actually sit up here and comfortably drive the boat from there. And we'll talk about the back of it in just a second. You've got your stainless steel Montauk steering wheel here. You've got a nice area here for a display that you could flush mount, a 7 or a 9-inch display, as well as maybe put a swivel one up top here. You've got your mercury gauges here, as well as all your switches and things, all in the very readily accessible, as well as a Fusion Bluetooth head unit that's got USB, auxiliary. We've also optioned this boat with trim tabs, which is not standard. As we move to the back of the boat, we've got a really large live well built into the leaning post here, with even more rod holders on the back and some storage for knives or pliers for when you're out there fishing. And this boat is powered by the brand new Mercury 200 horsepower V6 outboard, naturally aspirated, more fuel efficient, quieter, extremely torquey, and a really well-built motor. And we've optioned it with the white motor as well. You have 2 forward-facing jump seats that drop down to offer easy access in and out of the boat, as well as 4 more rod holders on the back with a small swim platform for reboarding. And of course the bimini top that gives you shade in the cockpit when you're out on sunny days. This is the 2019 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk here at MarineMax in Houston. Come see us today.